Four easy ways, four easy, quick and easy ways to build massive product line. Four quick and easy ways. I'm going to share those ways with you right now, and it's going to be quick and easy as the tips I'm going to share with you guys. Number one, recycle content with new hooks. So I kind of talked about that, recycling the content that you got, but you don't even have to change the product or the offer. You just have to change the angle you're approaching with your hook, with your headline, with the beginning of the story. Just change the angle of the hook you're throwing. I talked about that, I think, 2 episodes ago. You know, when you're fishing, you're throwing a lot of hooks with different baits. Hey, basically throw another hook with a different bait on it and see if it bites or not. But choose the principle behind it is the same. You're going to take the fish and you're going to cook it. But the thing is, you're taking a different bait and a different approach. Number two, take and find how to find videos, podcast episodes, articles, and bottom them and offer it as a value add into your offers. I talked about that in the beginning. That's an easy way to do that. Let's say you find, like, you searched a long time ago on how to do a specific thing. Hey, you can definitely take all those videos that you liked a lot and that you know are really value packed. You can put them together and just say, hey, like, if you buy my course, I'm going to throw that as a bonus, the top 5 videos I found on YouTube on how to do that better. Simple way to add this. You don't have to create a product. Compilation of things also work. Number 3, interviews. And I see a lot of people doing that as a value add as well, setting interviews of people. Basically, those are a video course, but interviewing somebody else. So that what's maybe even cooler with that is that you don't even have to really come up with all the content, all delivering, all talking. You just have to come up with a few questions, knowing what you're going to be able to take out from the experts you are inviting in. But the thing is, you don't really have to invent anything. You're just asking the right questions, making sure that expert tells as much information as possible about their domain, the thing that they're good at, and you can sell that as well. That's also an incredible value add. And remember, I always say, reformat the information. So we can even take that from the last tip. Let's say I just made an interview. Okay, it works for books, it works for anything, seminars, anything. Let's say I just did an interview with a guy. I can transcribe it and make it as a book. Okay, I got 2 products now. So I got the video that I did. I can even only take the audio out of it, and that gives me another product. I got 3 products now I can add to my offer. Okay, what else can I do? Maybe I can do a seminar or a summit with that guy and sharing the same information, but in a different way, in a different package. Hey, that's another product. You see how you can repackage, reformat the information that you're having, and that basically creates other products extremely easily without having to come up with a new thing. See how you can do that? Make sure that you do that. That's going to save you a ton of time and help you create a big product line. And bonus tip, because I always like to get you some magic bonus tips for you guys. Bonus tip is the public domain. What is a public domain, Gabriel? Oh, that's juicy stuff. That's some juicy stuff. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process just after that on how to use it. Basically, the public domain. What is a public domain? Public domain is the place where, or at least it's a kind of work that doesn't have copyrights around it. So it's free of use and free of sales. You can have Think and Grow Rich, that's in that. You have Dale Carnegie, the How to Win Friends and Influence People. That's also in that category. And that's why you maybe, when you go on Amazon and try to get Think and Grow Rich, you see 110 different versions of it, because it's a free, like, you can sell that book. Today, you can take, okay, I'm going to sell Think and Grow Rich, and I'm going to deliver the information, and I'm going to sell it. And you can 100% do that. That's legal because nobody owns the rights. It belongs, I was searching for the words, it belongs to the public domain. So everybody can use it.